everybody, this is Karen. Welcome back to our channel called Our House, and in this video I wanted to show you how we do our math flashcard. I printed off the Robinson curriculum ones off the online login. You could do this off the CDs. I like how they're true to a page and you fold them with the answer on the back. So the goal is for them to do it on their own and memorize these facts. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division before we get to section 5-4. Alright, so this is how we do it. Okay, so in here we keep all the flashcards. So I have addition out right now. Here's subtraction, here's multiplication, and here's division. So we do one at a time. That's how we do it. Make sure they have all of addition memorized before we move on to all of subtraction. And so I just use this recycled. So I've recycled this box that we used to use for scripture memory, and I find it's just perfect. We have all it's kind of meant for a calendar, as you can see, but so we have all the facts here. So for example, my youngest is going to do all her ones. She could just take all this out and practice her ones. And then my next son can do, whatever set he's working on. And so that's it. Just really easy, really simple. It goes all the way up to 16. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, it's just really easy, straightforward, just how we organize our flashcards little box. Only take out the ones you're memorizing at the time, and then how I store the rest of them. And that's it. Let me know in the comments below, how do you do your math flashcards? And again, you can print these off from the Robinson curriculum actual CDs or the online version, which I love. The online version. It is so easy to pull stuff up and print so fast on there. And yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.